Okay, so we are going to discuss the perfect square, what it looks like, and how to see it and factor it quickly. So there's two of them, and they have this form. So this is the positive one, and then we also have the negative 2a. So if you were factoring this, we'd want to find two things that multiply to a squared and add to 2a. So a times a is a squared and a plus a is 2a. So that's how we factor it. So it would have a factored form of this. And this one, because there's a negative, would have a negative there. So if we see this, we want to factor these really quick. So if we had something like x squared plus 4x plus 4, well, two things that multiply to 4 is 2, and they add to 4. So here we would have x plus 2 squared. Another possible one is, let's say we had x squared minus 6x plus 9. Two things that multiply to this is 3, and then they have multiplied by 2 to get 6. So in this case, it would be x minus 3 squared. Okay, now what if we had to solve for a random case, like we had x squared plus 16x plus c, and we wanted to know what that is. So what we have here is we know that 2a, so the 2a must equal 16. So we divide both sides by 2. We have a equals 8, and then we know that c equals a squared, so c equals 8 squared, and so c equals 64. So now what we have is x squared plus 16x plus 64 is a perfect square, and now we can factor it because we would just have x plus 8 squared. We know that 8's there as well. Okay, so another possible problem would be, what if we had x squared minus, let's say plus bx plus 49. Okay, now we want to find what value for b. So we know that a squared equals 49. So we take the square root of both sides. We have a equals a positive negative of 7. Okay, so now we know that b equals 2a, and a is 7. So we have b equals 2 times 7, so it equals 14. Or b equals 2 times negative 7, which equals negative 14. Now we have these two possible solutions, so we can write it in this way. So we have x squared plus 14x plus 49, and that equals x plus 7 squared. Or we'd have x squared minus 14x plus 49 equals x minus 7 squared. And that's the perfect square.